In order for you to increase how much medicine that you can carry at a time in Where Winds Meet, you'll need to go ahead and upgrade your medicine chest. Now to do so, simply open up the map and then navigate to the Evercare Clinic. It's in the section for Stillshore, so all you need to do is simply use the teleport boundary stone to navigate to that specific place. And once you're there, simply go ahead and navigate to the clinic, which will be right in front of you. And you should see this lady right here called Yao. So go ahead and select her. And then simply choose Submit Medicinal Tale. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and upgrade your chest so that you can carry even more medicine and also increase your medicine recovery request and your healing. So go ahead and upgrade. And once you've done that, you should now be able to carry more medicine if it's part of the upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.